Welcome back everyone. Today I'm building the LEGO Technic Ducati Panigale V4S, set number 42202. This is the latest Ducati Technic bike from LEGO, released in 2024, and with over 1600 pieces, I think it's going to be an amazing display piece. Now you may have noticed I start building from bag 7. This video starts at bag 7 because I recently got shipped a large part of my dad's LEGO collection. There are tons of unopened boxes and some epic sets already built. Before I dive into unboxing and reviewing these, I want to clear up my desk. So here we are, mid-build on this Ducati. Please bear with me while I try out the best background for filming the building of the Ducati. And I hope you enjoyed the sneak peek of the carousel LEGO set and the Ferris wheel as I make some minor decor changes. I will for sure be rebuilding these two sets on camera later, so be sure to check back often. In the background you'll spot a couple of bags. This is not my laundry, that's actually the fire brigade from 2009, and the cafe corner from 2007, stuffed in bags. I watched the recording back and thought maybe we should block that from view with some shiny new sets that we'll be building soon. So it doesn't look like I store LEGO like my dirty socks. So I came across some key play sets, basically LEGO's off-brand cousin. Picked up the sushi restaurant and Gyarados Pokemon. Fun fact, they actually had the license before LEGO swooped in and made it official. So now I kinda want to build it, see how it stacks up, and maybe roast the build quality a little bit before we get to build the LEGO sets. Lots of plans for this channel, so stick around, it's going to be fun. Welcome to the slowed down part of the video, also known as the sacred ritual of sticker placement. Some people treat this like brain surgery, but honestly I think a little tilt adds character. Adding to my growing list of excuses, $200 for a set and I still have to wrestle with stickers. Honestly, that's a bit of a letdown, but whatever, let's dive in and see how I survived the sticker saga. No need to call anything out in the comments. This is almost perfect sticker placement. At least for me it is. Speaking of comments, you can tell me your favorite LEGO set and your go-to method for applying stickers. Maybe I'll be able to pick up a few tips. Honestly, it's not really needed, but hey, maybe.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
I usually build Legos to relax, but let's dive into this one, the tiniest sticker Lego could throw at us. Honestly, this can only go one way, and you're totally here for it.
Sometimes may be good, sometimes may be shit.
Watching it back is almost as fun as doing it the first time. Stickers on curved surfaces really is a skill I do not yet master. This one takes a while, and I almost did it in one go. I honestly think this is the last of them, for at least a couple of pages. I have not changed my opinion yet. I still dislike stickers, but at least there is a constant upward trend in the application of these stickers. I am feeling confident.
Dude, sucking at something is the first step towards being sorta good at something.
Very nice, she's a 10.
All this sticker drama got me so anxious, I completely forgot to hit record after my last break. And I missed the fuel tank. It was every bit as tricky as it looks. You'll see me fidgeting with it a few more times. This Ducati was a blast to build, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm also really glad it's almost over. So the fuel tank, yeah, turns out it matters which pin goes in which hole. Who knew? I didn't. I picked the wrong one, naturally. Had to shuffle things around to make the seat fit. It definitely was the hardest part of the build, for me at least. The bright side, I screwed up early enough to fix it, so I didn't have to pretend I meant to do that later. And here's a close-up of the finished Ducati. Finally, proof that I actually completed it and didn't rage quit halfway. Looks great now, just don't ask how many times I had to rebuild sections. Actually, scratch that. You were here, you saw it happen. This Ducati build left me a little bit sweaty, so after I put it on the shelf, I'll go for a well-deserved shower. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.